Found the perfect place. We're gonna go inside right now. Oh yes, we have to be careful because we can fall down really easily. Let's see if there's anybody inside here right now. I don't see anybody inside here. I think we can get in right now. Oh.
Ooh, it's moving so much, but we have to stay quiet. Okay, so we're in. We have to stay quiet. Oh my God. Quiet.
I think there is nobody in here right now. So we're in. We just entered from that window, and now I'm gonna go in silence inside this house. I don't see anybody in here. We have to stay quiet. I heard somebody inside. Who is there? Is there anybody? Oh my God, I think I see somebody. We have to stay quiet. Oh my God, there is a girl. Is she sleeping? I think she's sleeping, yeah. We have to move really slow, really quiet. I'm probably gonna go here around the wall. And we have to go to the fridge. Let's see if she's still sleeping. Yes, I think we can go slowly. The important thing is that we cannot make a noise. We have to stay quiet. Oh my God! Oh no!
Oh no! Who is there?
Oh no! Oh no! I think she woke. Oh no! I think she's coming. She's coming. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna hide here. I don't think she can see us here. We have to stay really quiet. So I hide it underneath the table, and she's looking for me right now, but I don't think she can. I don't think.
Who are you?
I don't think she can see me. Okay, she's going away. I think we have to switch place so she doesn't find us. Okay. I think I found the best place to hide. Yes. She shouldn't see us from here. Okay, I think I found the perfect space. Oh no, I think she's coming. I want to steal that TV so bad. But she's... Oh no, she's here. She's here. We have to. She's coming here. She's coming here. We have to stay quiet. She's so close. I don't think she saw us. She's still. Look at her. She doesn't know where to look. Yes, we have to move. We move slowly. I'm gonna grab this TV right now. How do I break? I have to take this TV. I have to take it. Oh no, I cannot grab it. Oh, it's too heavy. Oh no, she's coming. Oh no, she's coming. Oh no. Oh no. No. What is this place? Oh, where am I? Oh no. Oh, she's coming.
My house and now you are mine.
No. You're not gonna call the police, right?
No, because you are mine.
What are you gonna do with me? I want to go away, please. Let me go.
You have to stay here.
No, please.
For-
That hurts. Oh no.
I'm in love with unicorns, so you have to stay here.
No, please, no. I cannot do this. No, I have to go away. Oh my god, we have to. Oh, yes. Yes, guys. I think we got it. I think we can go away now. Oh no, she's closing me. No. What am I gonna do now? I cannot. I have to get out. I have to get. Yes, I'm free. Oh no, she's here. I'm free. No, stay there. Oh my god. She's coming. Oh no, she's here. She's right behind me. Please stop following me, please. I just want to go away. No. I have to go away. This is not working. No. She wants to bring me back in. No. Oh no. Oh, I see this. Oh no. Oh no. I think we escaped. I think we did it. Woo! I think we did it, guys.